Leo has been bursting into new markets all over the world. There's a real sense of Leo's momentum.
Istanbul, center of the world, city of the world's desire. This melting pot of cultures, of religions, of traditions, of people. It's one of my favorite cities in the entire world. I am so excited and so delighted to be here for the launch of the Leo Global Momentum Tour. What's so inspiring about meeting these new members and meeting our leaders from all over Europe in one place is the energy, the shared experiences, the feeling you get of a really global Leo family.
Today, our business has the best members in the world. Our business has the best plan in the world. Our business has the best products in the world, and we're moving forward all over that world.
Thank you guys, and let's keep rolling.
We started in Istanbul, glorious city, center of the universe, center of the world. We're now off the coast of Hong Kong, one of the most exciting cities on the planet, forward-moving, business-focused. This has been an event of a lifetime.
Something that's always elusive for any business wanting to grow is momentum. And in the last year, we've seized that momentum like almost no other business could.
The Asia Pacific Momentum Tour, here on an incredible cruise ship off the coast of Hong Kong, off the coast of Macau. Who knows where we are? We're in the middle of the ocean. Over 1,000 members from Leo's Asia Pacific business, filling out a theatre, packing out a cruise ship, taking over every show, every event, all over this ship. It's full of Leo members.
Every day, I'm inspired by what our members have achieved. Every day, I'm impressed by how hard they work, and every day, I'm more and more proud at how many lives Leo has changed forever. If you then consider that this is just the beginning, what will we do later this year? What will we do next year?
This has been a landmark day in the history of Leo. This has been a day that our members here will remember for the rest of their lives.
Hi, and here we are on the last leg of the Leo Momentum Tour, and we're right here in Africa, in the fantastic Ivory Coast. It's so good to be here with all of our members and to be talking to them about all of the exciting things that's happening with Leo and in the future.
This tour was a celebration and the next step of that momentum. We held 3 major events all over the world, travelled some 41,000 kilometres, spoke to thousands of Leo leaders and members as we shared our vision for the future of Leo. We've had 6 incredible years. We've done business in over 140 countries. New members from new countries are joining the Leo family all the time. I'm proud that we have all created one of the best companies in the world. Yet, despite this success, despite what our members have already achieved, despite the incredible journey we've already been on, the future is even better. The future is even more exciting, and the future is when Leo changes the world. seized that elusive momentum and we're never letting it go. Our next Momentum Tour is already being planned. We'll be visiting more countries, talking to thousands more people on a scale that will make your head spin. This is Leo's year. This is the time to move your business to the next level. This is the time to change your life.